Setting up your creative journey with Instantart is straightforward the moment you land on our platform. You'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface designed for immediate engagement to begin your artistic endeavors. Locate and select the Create New Image button, prominently displayed to guide you to our powerful generation tools. The heart of AI image generation lies in your imagination, captured through prompts at Instantart. We encourage you to be as vivid and specific as possible instead of a cat. Consider describing a sleek Siamese cat with piercing blue eyes lounging on a velvet cushion in a dimly lit library, with dust motes dancing in a single shaft of moonlight. To truly bring your vision to life, explore the vast array of artistic styles offered by Instantart, whether you envision a hyperrealistic photograph, a dramatic oil painting, an ethereal watercolor, or a cutting-edge digital art piece. Our curated selection allows you to match the aesthetic to your prompt's essence. Beyond the core elements, Instantart empowers you with granular control. Fine-tune your creations with advanced features like precise aspect ratio adjustments, the exclusion of unwanted elements through negative prompts, and nuanced controls over artistic attributes. These tools offer the flexibility to sculpt your AI-generated art with remarkable precision. With your creative direction set, initiate the generation process. Instantart's sophisticated AI will then meticulously craft a diverse set of images. Based on your input, review the results, appreciating the unique interpretations the AI brings to your prompt, each offering a distinct artistic perspective. Once you discover an image that perfectly resonates with your vision, acquiring it is as simple as clicking download or save. Congratulations, you've successfully navigated the Instantart generation process. Continued exploration and experimentation with prompts will undoubtedly enhance your mastery and unlock even more extraordinary visual outcomes.